In the heart of Amsterdam Zoo, a powerful lion ambushed with a determined gaze, ready to embark on a thrilling hunt, oblivious to the impending danger that lurks. With a swift movement, the lion pounces forward and stuck the duck in his paws. Another majestic lion enters the scene, challenging the first with a fierce roar. Their domination struggle ensues, momentarily distracting the initial hunter. Seizing this golden opportunity, as if blessed by fate itself, the duck seizes its chance to escape the clutches of death, and luckily escaped from the paws of lion.